Madam Chief Justice has enumerated. I also appreciate the admirable work to enhance effective access to justice for groups whose freedoms and rights have traditionally been encumbered by stigma. These include persons with mental illness, intersex persons, as well as survivors of sexual and gender-based violence. It will come as no surprise that I am keenly interested in the NCAJ's model of grassroots service delivery. The court users committees are focal points in a democratized, bottom-up justice process. I commend this model unreservedly. Both the coordination of actors and delivery of services will increasingly depend on the extent of adoption and deployment of technology. I am confident that as chair of NCAJ Committee on ICT, Mr. Justice Isaac Lenaola is alive to all these possibilities and is providing leadership in the direction of the future. And maybe to confirm to you that the government of Kenya, we have now sorted out all the issues that encumbered our digitization of government services, e-citizen platform. And in a couple of weeks, we will roll out a robust program on digitizing all government services, 5,000 government services. We will give in this process, we will work with the judiciary to see whether we can build synergy in digitization of services in the judiciary so that we can support a seamless technology use across government. We have also, we are working also on a program to ensure that that digitization exercise enables government to collect taxes. And I encourage the judiciary to support the process of government raising taxes, kicking out all people seeking refuge in the judiciary and who have refused to pay tax. We should try and sort out all matters, try to talk to our customers, try to talk to all taxpayers, try to get all the issues out of court. So whenever you see a matter now appearing in court, please know that we have exhausted all efforts to try and resolve that matter out of court and help us so that people who don't want to pay tax do not find any refuge in our court system. And this is why I have asked the Cabinet Secretary for ICT to be available to give the ministry's full support to the NCAJ Working Committee whenever called upon to do anything for ensuring that you achieve your target of using technology to enhance the efficiency of delivery of our justice and the entire justice system. The maturation of the NCAJ and its significant achievements have firmly demonstrated that it is indispensable to the transformation of the national framework for access to and especially inclusive justice. I therefore agree that the establishment of NCAJ, an autonomous agency, is an idea whose time has come. The government will support the legislative process to achieve this objective. I told the Chief Justice, President of the Supreme Court, that we are all ready. Attorney General will present to Cabinet and eventually to Parliament the law that will assist in ensuring that NCHA is firmly rooted on legal foundation. Finally, I wish to reiterate our pledge that despite prevailing budgetary challenges, we will unlock financial resources necessary to enhance access to justice in terms of infrastructure as well as personnel. I will talk to the governor of Nairobi so that we can expedite the completion of these courts, because small claims courts are a bottom-up benefit, and therefore, Madam Chief Justice, within the next 90 days, we will give you the 4 courts in Nairobi that have been outstanding so that you can set up the small claims courts in the various areas of Nairobi County. Also, to support the judiciary's effort in ensuring that there is efficient delivery of justice, I have asked the Attorney General to present the 2 bills that have been outstanding for a while now to Cabinet tomorrow. The pensions for judges, which has been pending for, I'm told, 4 years. We will approve it tomorrow. We will consider it in Cabinet tomorrow and forward it to Parliament for enactment so that we can support the judges. And I am told by the Chief Justice that this will be a contributory scheme, which is what we should be doing, and it will go a long way in building resources and savings in our country, and therefore it has my full endorsement that this should be the way to go. Again, to support the efficiency of our judicial system, the tribunals bill will again be presented to Cabinet tomorrow, again, so that we can be able to support the judiciary, provide the infrastructure for ensuring that we decongest our court system by making sure that the support system in the tribunals are working. Again, it will assist us in making sure that justice is delivered efficiently. I want to assure you of my administration's support in ensuring that we eliminate female genital mutilation in our country, because it is not only retrogressive, but it is a danger to the health of all our girls. So that we will work together. And we will ensure that we maintain. I know there is maybe a discussion as to why I am appearing in too many of the functions of the judiciary. I think they can confirm to you that I have never put a telephone call to anybody to ask them to do nothing. My support for the judiciary is so that they can effectively deliver justice to the people of Kenya, period. And I want to congratulate all the actors. I am particularly pleased to see my friend Eric Theuri here, who took me to court the other day when I made some appointments. And I appreciate that it's the wheels of justice. And I'm very happy that he is not threatening to organize any demonstrations, because he did not he did not win the case. So I think we are all in this space because we have to act in a manner, and everybody is entitled to do what they must do. And it's okay to take government to court. It's okay to take me to court. I have no problem. If you have a matter, and if I lose, I have no problem. You know, I move on to the next. It means I was wrong, because nobody is an angel. Everybody, all of us can be wrong or right. but we leave it to the judiciary to decide whether one is guilty or one is innocent. I think that way we will be affirming the foundation of the rule of law in our country. I congratulate the NCAJ for your fine achievements. I note that this has been made possible to a great extent by the diligent execution of your strategic plan. I therefore commend you for formulating the new strategic plan and wish you great success as you implement it. Asanteni sana, and may the good Lord bless you.